Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you around our knowledge center. So we do have a feature of knowledge center through which you can very well go ahead and explore our videos and article in order to learn how to use Transact. So our team accordingly go ahead and just create videos and articles for you for a smooth onboarding. So from where you can access your knowledge center, let me guide you. So on your right hand side in very bottom, you will see get help option. Click on this. Now, here is the two option. One is the chat through which you can very well go ahead and raise a support chat, and our support chat agent will be assisting you within our business hours. And also the next which we have provided, that is a FAQ segment. Once you click on FAQ segment, it will take you to our knowledge center where you will find specific videos and articles. Here you can very well go ahead and just search for any of the article and video. Like suppose if you want to learn how to create PO, so you just need to search how to create PO. So as you can see that how to create purchase order which came in the list here. Accordingly, if I go below, you can see that we have provided the segments like in inventory, transaction, quotation. You can very well go ahead and just go to this particular transaction module and you can see all the videos here. So suppose if I will go with the very first, just click on this and accordingly an article will come to you. As same, we have provided the video option as well, as you can go ahead and just click on how to punch enter purchase invoice on Transact. Once you will click on this, you will see that accordingly a video is being displayed here where you can go ahead and just watch the video and learn how to punch purchase invoice, and accordingly you can do it on Transact. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order for our guidance in Knowledge Center. If you don't find any respected or any helpful video in Knowledge Center, please reach us on our support chat and we will be there to help you out and assist you in our business hours. Have a good day ahead.